In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off video camera in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you're in a Microsoft Teams call or meeting and you want to stop sharing your camera, the good news is that it's very quick and easy to do. Turning off your camera can be useful if you need more privacy, if you're stepping away for a moment, or if you simply want to reduce distractions during the meeting. To get started, make sure you are already inside an active call or meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the meeting, look at the meeting controls that appear on the screen. These controls are usually displayed along the top or bottom area of the Teams window, depending on the version you're using and the size of your screen. If you don't see the controls right away, move your mouse slightly and they should appear. Now, find the camera button in the meeting controls. This is the option that controls whether your video is currently on or off. If your camera is on, other people in the meeting can see your live video feed. To turn it off, simply click on the camera button once. As soon as you click it, your camera will be disabled. That means your video will no longer be visible to other participants in the meeting. In most cases, the camera icon will also change appearance to show that video has been turned off, which helps confirm that the action worked successfully. This is a simple feature, but it's very helpful to know during meetings. For example, if your surroundings become noisy or distracting, or if you need to focus on listening without being on screen, turning off your video can make the meeting experience more comfortable. It can also help if your internet connection is unstable, since disabling video may improve overall call performance. If you want to turn your camera back on later, you can return to the same camera button and click it again. That will reactivate your video so others can see you once more, and that's all there is to it. While you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, just click the camera button to turn your video off. It only takes a second, and it gives you more control over how you appear in the meeting.